here at the Santa Ana Park, and the roll. Early lead is taken by Real Winner by the rail. Totis Best on the farther outside now, moving up is entry number 4, Carriedo. Bringing up the rear is Yes Pogi. It's Totis Best by the rail. On the outside is Carriedo. And a very close third is Real Winner. And bringing up the rear is Yes Pogi, the favorite. Heading for the backstretch, it is still Totis Best by a length and a half, followed by Carriedo on the outside. And running in third by 3.5 lengths is Real Winner, while Yes Pogi is still trailing the group. At the mid-back stretch, it's still Totis Best in the lead, followed by Carriedo on the outside in second. And here comes Yes Pogi now closing in third, while entry number 1, Real Winner, is limping. And nearing the part 10, there is still Totis Best by a length and a half, followed by Carriedo on the outside in second. And moving up past on the farther outside is Yes Pogi. And at the part 10, the lead is taken over now by Carriedo on the outside, Totis Best by the rail. And Yes Pogi now moving up on the farther outside. And the last bend for home is Carriedo on the outside, Totis Best by the rail. And Yes Pogi remains in third. And into the home stretch, it is still Carriedo. It's Carriedo by 2.5 lengths, followed by Totis Best by the rail. Yes Pogi on the farther outside. At the top of the stretch, Carriedo on the outside, Totis Best by the rail. And Yes Pogi. But it's still Carriedo on the outside, Totis Best by the rail. Yes Pogi now moving up on the farther outside. It's Carriedo, Totis Best by the rail. And Yes Pogi on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, Totis Best, Yes Pogi, Carriedo.
And there you go. They had